Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get $0 gifts on Temu. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu mobile app. The availability of free gifts depends on your region, so this option may or may not be visible. If available, look for the Earn Credits or Free Gifts section. It may also appear as a Free Gifts banner. Click on Free $0 items. If the promotion is active, you will see a list of available gifts. Select an item, choose a color, and proceed. You will need to pick 3 gifts before continuing. Once confirmed, you will see a breakdown of how to claim your free gifts. The process may vary slightly depending on your region, but the core method remains the same. Invite new users, gain energy, and unlock free gifts. So that's basically how you can get $0 gifts on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.